Hi, thank you for coming visiting our website. If you are looking for Write for Us section, I, Karan Bose, as a founder of Hula Global, welcome you. We are looking actively to collaborate with other content writers, content creators to write for us. As simple as that. There are very basic rules, and the entire content of our website right now is in English. We do plan to have a French version maybe at some point in future, but right now it's entirely English. So I would suggest that you read every point that is there carefully. I've seen particularly people from Pakistan, they are very active in SEO and stuff like that. They ask the same question that has been answered here. So we will not answer those questions that are already clearly written, like price per post for sponsored post, whether you are getting, the links in the article, stuff like that. So if you want to write for us, you can go to our website. You can scroll down right at the bottom. You can see write for us. There are two options. You can either go for free guest post, which is very clearly nothing to be paid. You have to follow our editorial guidelines. So these are paid links where you have to pay for the post and you get the link within the article. These are the prices. Everything is very clearly written. If you want to have, let's say, a free guest post, you will get author link in bio, and that is honestly the difference between paid and non-paid. Another important part is if you are writing, let's say, for industrial uniforms, for example, if your business is real estate or something like that, you can opt for industrial uniforms or something like that. So you have to ensure that our niche fashion apparel is included. If directly you are not writing for fashion, then definitely you have to opt for paid post and figure out a way how you can combine fashion and whatever your niche is. If you are writing for kids, maybe it could be a kids wear rather than something on babies. So our blogs, you can go and see how others have written. There's like tons of articles. You can figure out which ones are paid, which ones are not. There is the ones like these ones, the author will have link in bio, like this one. This is a no follow link, but this is what the free guest post gets you. The article, if you want the link within the article, like probably like these ones, you have to opt for paid post. Paid post prices are already here. When you buy bulk, discounts are applicable, but if you think you are a reseller, you want to buy one by one, unfortunately our plans are not fit for resellers. These are typically linked within the article. These are paid links. You have to pay for it, and this is the pricing for paid links. It's very important that you write an email through an official email ID. Like in this case, you can see Ria at Hula Global. It's a company domain name. Similarly, if any of the emails that we receive, if they are not properly from an email, they will end up in our trash or in our uh, spam folder. Like if you are in Gmail, at the rate Gmail, at the rate whatever, Yahoo Mail, Gmail, these emails, they never get read. We do not read them. They are simply auto deleted, and there is a reason why we have this is something stupid. Like someone actually did random name at yahoo.com, abcd at gmail. We meant it to show it as an example that if you are writing to us from a random email address without an official email address, you will never reach us. And this person is such an idiot. They do not probably understand basic English. We have clearly written over here. If you follow how to pitch us, you will see our spam filters auto delete generic emails. So abcd at gmail, random name at gmail, or random name at yahoo.com, these email IDs like this, Wakar blogger at gmail, will never reach our inbox. Arham will never reach our inbox. Hamza, again Gmail, this will never reach our inbox. Hamid SEO, again the same mistake. They keep on sending to random name and abcd. I don't know why they have difficulty understanding English, but if you see, like, they are asking for the same question again and again that has been answered, and most importantly they are sending from Gmail, so they will never get an answer. In fact, we do not even see. For the purpose of this video, I'm showcasing you You can see over here, I'm now reading, this is again a Gmail, nobody cares, because our concept is if you cannot even have a domain name, you cannot probably afford anything that is at paid service. As well as if you are not a business customer, you are not relevant for us in any way. So I can go on and on and on to showcase you all the inquiries, and we get a lot of them. Like, even you can have tech hive name, but if it is Gmail, it's not getting into our inbox. Very simple. You can have very good subject line, you can think of, oh, I can do this new emoji in the subject line or whatever. This never gets into our inbox, it goes into our spam and trash. Right now we are at trash. The entire spam is also very similar. We have implemented a whitelisting in our emails, so these Gmails and personal email IDs will never get into. Well, that's it from our side. We really hope you read all the instructions, follow the process, underwrite for us. If you are going for pitching us, make sure that you are writing from an official email ID and not some generic email ID, because your emails will never reach us. Also, definitely check our paid plans in case if you are looking for a sponsored post. We look forward to hearing from you very soon. All the very best.